Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you use ChatGPT to make any recipe. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first let's log into ChatGPT. We can go to chat.openai.com. Okay, so here, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account with ChatGPT. It is very quick and straightforward. All right, so here in the chat box here, we can say make a recipe for. Now let's think of something that is a little bit weird and crazy. So how about make a recipe for chocolate cake with 5 kinds of vegetables as icing. Okay. So as crazy as it seems, but still it is giving us the recipe for a chocolate cake with 5 kinds of vegetables as an icing. Okay, and also here we can see that it doesn't only give us the recipe, it also includes the instruction on how you make the cake and how you make the vegetable icing. All right, so here it says enjoy your delicious and healthy chocolate cake with vegetable icing. Now, let's try something else. So, how about let's try make a recipe for a Turkish beef stew. Okay. All right, so here it is giving us the recipe and it also gives us the name of the food. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's say, for example, make a recipe for Chinese pizza. Okay, so there you have it, guys. As we can see in here, ChatGPT is very capable of making recipes. The only limitation is your imagination. So if you can imagine it, ChatGPT can give you the recipe for it. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.